This motherfucker, these are dicks. Little butt dick. Dick? What? I don't want it. I don't want it.
Almir, where your food?
Right here.
Look at it.
What you mean, look at it? What's wrong with it? Oh, shit. Well, what kind of noodle is that? That's a face, right?
No.
What? Nuts and dick. Holy shit. Holy shit. You told that to your mother.
You guys, his favorite food is spaghetti. I'm gonna give him some pasta with meat sauce right now.
Hey, girl, please. Hey, you got Wi-Fi here?
On your Don't post it on your Don't post it. Don't post it on your IG.
What's so funny?
Look closer.
So funny. No live, are you?
Para digamos que es.
Go on live. You better not be live.
No, he said it's so yummy.
Why? What's so funny?
Look at your food, dear.
I know it's. Oh no! Are you serious right now? Wow. No, that's funny.
It's so yummy.
Messed up. Where'd you get that? Oh my god. Where'd you get that?
Sí, baby.
You better brought me some whiskey or something. After that one.
But it tastes good.
It's like a little noodle wiener.
It's dinner time.
I'm curious now.
I'm dying.
Are you enjoying that?
Wait, you recording me?
No. Look at the
No, look at the phone.
LOL.
Hold on, Allie.
Oh, there it is.
Why? Why? Oh my gosh! Now he's gonna have to wear them on his booty cheeks.
Hell, he can kiss my ass down.
Look what finally came in the mail today. We've been waiting for this since February. I love it. Do it a little bit faster, come on. It's a zip.
Oh my god, wow.
Probably a little too big for my bed, but yeah.
Is it a special thing?
Just open it up.
How? Just pull it?
Mm-hmm. Right there.
Oh my God. Seriously? Why would you do something like I'm finna wear these drawers?
You are gonna take it to the room with us.
Well, why am I finna wear these drawers? You know what I mean? You serious? I'm finna wear some drawers like that around here?